A few months ago, we introduced our new stainless steel square design in a 6-inch and 12-inch size. Now let's take a look at the big brothers, the 1812 SS and 2616 SS stainless steel precision woodworking squares. All the great features of our smaller squares, but now in a size that's perfect for plywood, other sheet goods, and large furniture projects. If you're like most woodworkers, when you're doing plywood layout work or checking a cut that you've already made on a sheet of plywood, you probably have to rely on one of these to check it out. A framing square has to be flat. They're made to lay out stairway stringers and rafter notches. But a completely flat square is really awkward when you're doing tight tolerance work. That's why for centuries, small joinery has always been done with a square that has a thick beam and a thin blade. Years ago, Woodpecker's design team decided the same logic behind small joinery squares is just as important when you're working with plywood and wide glued up boards. That's when we brought out the 18 and 26-inch precision woodworking squares in anodized aluminum. Now, we're putting all the thoughtful features of our aluminum squares and a couple new twists into these new stainless steel squares. The heart of this design is a machined one-piece core. So, squareness isn't determined by pinning a blade to a different material. Instead, the one-piece core is carefully machined on state-of-the-art CNC equipment and checked on our computerized optical inspection system. The stainless steel blade is heat treated for toughness, then carefully processed to give it a non-glare satin finish. Also, the scale is laser engraved to a tolerance of 4/1000ths of an inch over the entire length of the blade. Then we add the cheeks, indexed to the core with polished pins and held solidly in place with stainless steel socket head cap screws. See how the cheeks are narrower than the blade? This forms a lip that keeps the square on the edge of your stock. Also take a look at these notches milled in the blade. They're spaced 1/16 of an inch apart and sized just right for the tip of a pencil. If I need to mark 16 3/8 from the edge, I just drop my pencil in and slide the square along the edge of the plywood. Both the 2616 SS and 1812 SS are available in your choice of inch or metric graduations. The squares are available individually or as a set. Both singles and sets are shipped in our special wall-mountable storage case. So, if you want the ease and accuracy of our smaller squares when you're doing larger casework, get your hands on one or both of our new large format stainless steel precision woodworking squares, the 1812 SS and 2616 SS from Woodpeckers.